As I say in every paper squishy video, if you have a request, then please leave that down in the comments down below, because if I do make your squishy, then I will pin the comment and I will also give you a shout out, and that is what I'm doing today. So thank you so much to this comment. I'm sorry I don't know your name, but I will put your comment on screen as a shout out. Thank you so much for leaving this request, and this one is for you. So today we are making the indomie ramen squishy. I've actually decided to choose the mee goreng flavor because why not? I actually want to try this, so I thought I'm gonna base this squishy off of that package design. So first of all, I took my paper, I folded it in half, and then I drew out some noodles. This took a little while of going back and forth with loads of squiggles, and then I drew a bowl around it just like on the original design. I then added in some little vegetables with some markers. This worked out really well. I was able to layer on the acrylic markers over the alcohol markers, and this worked out perfectly. I decided to make the onion a little bit bigger on my design because I thought if I put a cute face on this would be adorable. But anyway, I just kept sketching away with my alcohol markers and my acrylic markers, so I'll leave you with some music whilst you watch me do that, because I think this is quite satisfying to watch back. So obviously if you compare this design to the original packet, I have switched it up a little bit. I made it a little bit more simplified with the logo and everything on there. I didn't include so much text. I also didn't include the information on the back of the squishy because I'm quite lazy like that. I don't like to colour in the backs of my squishies, so if I don't have to, then I won't. Anyway, to turn this drawing into a paper squishy, what I did was I cut around the original shape and then I just moved that onto the other bit of the white paper. I didn't actually just cut this straight out because the alcohol markers did bleed through a little bit and I didn't want that to be in the back. I just wanted it to be plain white, so I just cut that from an extra piece of paper and then started taping. With this squishy, it's really easy to tape up, obviously because all of the sides are squared, and yeah, to be honest, I really enjoyed making this one with like how easy it was to do the tape, so I'd definitely love to do some more rectangle ones in the future. So if there's more paper kind of like squishy designs that you think would be good, like with a wrapper design, let me know because I would love to make them. Anyway, I started taping around the edges until I had the top part left open. Then I just stuffed it with some pillow stuffing until I was happy with the density and worked out how kind of like good that was to squish. Once I had that done, I taped up the opening closed, and then the squishy was complete. I'm so happy with how this has turned out. Look how nice and slow rising this is. I taped obviously on the front, on the sides and on the back, and then I also added another layer of tape as well, so there's 2 layers of tape over this, and I think that works out so well. Like, it's so slow rising, it's so satisfying to give a big actual crunchy paper squishy squeeze to. I love the little onion on here, like look at its cute face, I love that. And yeah, I'm so happy. I'm not bothered that the back's plain. If this bothers you, then you can add some like extra details on there. Some writing wouldn't, you know, be too bad to do, and it would probably take hardly any time at all. But yeah, this is how the squishy turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Any requests, please leave them down below like we said. Give this video a like if you liked it, and I'll see you very soon for another one. Bye.